Hey there, this is Maura Neal with 365atlanta.com. I am standing in front of Sugar Moon Bake Shop in Oakhurst in Decatur. It is located right at the corner of Oakview and Eastlake Drive, and it is now open. So you Oakhurst residents, you have a cupcake shop within walking distance. And we're going to take a look at some of the most delicious cupcakes you can find here in Atlanta. Let's go inside.
Hi, I'm Amy.
And I'm Katie.
And we're the owners of Sugar Moon Bake Shop in Oakhurst in Decatur.
Today's our grand opening celebration, and we're going to tell you about our favorite cupcakes.
Mine is the banana pudding. It actually has banana pudding in the middle. It's delicious.
Mine is the red velvet. It's very moist cake with cream cheese icing made in the South.
Come down and see us.
So make sure you make time to come down to Sugar Moon Bake Shop in Oakhurst in Decatur. Check out my favorite, the banana pudding, and my husband's favorite, the key lime cupcake. Come on down today. And of course, go to 365atlanta.com for great things to do all around the Atlanta area. See you there.